In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a free demo project in Soundtrap. If you're curious about making music or just want a quick way to explore the Soundtrap studio without starting from scratch, demo projects are a perfect entry point. They're pre-built sessions you can open instantly, listen to, and experiment with. Great for learning the layout, testing ideas, or getting inspired. First, head to soundtrap.com. Log in with your existing credentials, and if you're prompted to choose an account, go with the one you typically use for Soundtrap. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is your launching pad for everything you do in Soundtrap. To find a free project, look over to the left side of your screen. There you'll see a section labeled Demo Projects. Click that. This is where Soundtrap keeps a collection of ready-made sessions in different styles and setups. These are free to open and explore, and they're designed to help you get working right away without having to build a session from the ground up. Spend a moment browsing. You'll see a variety of options, different genres, moods, and instrument setups. Before you commit, use the preview feature to get a quick sense of what each project sounds like. Listen for things like the overall vibe, tempo, and the kinds of instruments involved. Ask yourself what you want to practice or create today. Do you want a beat to tweak, a pop arrangement to rearrange, or a cinematic bed to build on? Headphones can help you hear the details clearly, especially when you're comparing a couple of options. If there's a description, give it a glance. It often hints at what's included and how the session is structured. When you've found a demo that fits what you're looking for, click the project. Soundtrap will begin loading the session. This can take a moment, especially on your first open, as the studio loads instruments, loops, and tracks. Once it's ready, the template for that project will appear in the studio view. You'll see tracks stacked on the timeline with clips, instruments, and effects already laid out. From here, you can explore, solo, or mute parts, and get to know how everything is arranged. That's the whole process. Go to soundtrap.com and log in, open demo projects from the left side of your dashboard, preview to find the one that matches your goals, then click to load it and let the template appear. Have fun exploring and let the demo guide your next creative move.